Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you what's wrong if your radio won't come on your vehicle. Turn the key on, everything lights up, everything comes on. You know, it's not running, but all your lights, everything come on. And you've checked your fuses, even the one on the back of the radio and the power button, and the radio won't come on. Well, the problem is your ignition switch. The accessory part is bad on the electronic switch that the key and tumbler are turning. See that play right there? That's in the switch itself. See how that play? It's not in the key. Well, that's the problem, is the electronic switch. So, what you got to do? Well, got to pull it all apart, buy you a brand new one, and replace it. So yeah, hopefully I'll find this video useful as far as the cause of why your radio isn't working when your fuses are good. It's because it's your electronic ignition switch, not the key and tumbler, the electronic part that's down in here that your key and tumbler turn and goes to your fuse box and turns everything on. When you're not getting power to the fuses, but everything's good. It's the electronic switch itself. Hopefully I found this video useful. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, go and hit that link down there in the corner. Subscribe to the channel. You'll have a great day.